young girls! Today we're going to talk about the soft girl style. This style includes pastel shades, a large number of accessories, shimmering and bright composition. Let's analyze the style. The soft girl style refers to a fashion style that usually has a soft, feminine, and cute look. This style is an aesthetic that has become popular among young girls and is often seen in photos, videos, and content that is widely shared on social media. Soft girl colors often have soft shades such as pink pastel and baby blue and yellow buttercup, but they certainly don't all have to be like that. You can also make soft girl costumes in darker colors if you like. Soft girl designs include some plaids, hearts, and all things kawaii. Soft girls are not lacking in determination when it comes to showing off their rose-colored hair. Brightly colored barrettes, clips, or hairpins are one of the indispensable accessories of soft girl style. These hairpins are usually in pastel shades or can have cute patterns. Headbands with floral prints or floral details are a beautiful option that complements the romantic and feminine look of the soft girl style. Eyeshadows in pastel tones can be preferred. Soft pink, lavender, blue, or green tones can be used. Curling the eyelashes and applying a light mascara can emphasize the eyes. Natural eyebrow shape is preferred. Eyebrows that are not overly pronounced are a characteristic of the soft girl style. Natural colored lipsticks or lip glosses can be used. Soft pink, peach, or nude tones can be preferred. Lip liner can be used to emphasize the natural contours of the lips. Super cute pink sunglasses and heart-shaped glasses radiate the essence of soft girl energy. Whether you're trying out a new look because you saw it online or you're looking to restyle your wardrobe, we hope this guide will help you achieve the ultimate soft girl look. Remember this: be the best version of yourself! Don't forget to take the tomboy or soft girl quiz.